Okay, so now if we want to, for example, take this and center it, we can do that. Highlight the text and center. If we don't like this color background, we can change the background color of our text. If we don't like a certain thing that we did, we can hit Control Z on our keyboard and it will automatically undo our last step. We can do that again and go back another one. Now let's go on to the menu item over here, the menu items, and those are called pages. So if we click on pages up here, we can manage pages and we can change the name of what they say over in the menu. Usually home is a standard practice for the home page of a website, but we might be working on computer networks, for example. I don't know, we might have to do something with Microsoft Word or Excel, so we can just change those names. Contact might be a good one to keep, but contact information for the group, your names and IDs and group number and things like that. The best way to add a page would not actually be where it says add a page. The best way would just be to duplicate an existing menu item, and when we do that, it creates a copy, and then we can just change it to what we need to do. And you can see over here that the menu has changed. And we can add, of course, as many as we like. And when we do that, click OK, we may not see the last menu item. Contact, for example, is missing. So we can click on, let's click here on home, go back here. But even if we click on another one, we still can't see the contacts. But in the home is where we have our My Final Project title. To change this, we can click on this block and just increase the size of this menu, and their contact is now revealed. Of course, that looks ugly, so let's actually move this. We can move that up so it's inside the white. And of course, if we click on Networks, Word, Excel, we can see that they're changing here. Okay. Now, that is the menu and the menu items. Again, that was in Pages, Manage Pages. We can do other things as well. We can add different elements, and it gives you a whole array of different things we can add. Obviously, if you add a picture, it'll be something like this. We can add a title, which would be something like this. Paragraph would be something like this. Let's go into video and see how we can add a video to our website. Just click on video. It gives you this block, which we can move around and put it wherever we want to on our page. And if we click it, it gives us the one option of setting up the video. And when we do that, the video in this case needs to be a YouTube video. So just if you want to create your own video, upload it to YouTube and then insert the link here. The autoplay option usually is when the website opens, it will automatically play the video without the user intervention. That's something that we usually keep off for best practices. Looping the video means when the video ends, it will go back to the beginning and start playing again. that is also something that usually we want to keep off. And click OK. And there we have our video block. We can put it wherever we want to on our page. Okay, so picture, title, paragraph, video. A gallery would be a picture gallery. If we click on that, it inserts a picture gallery here. We can move it around as well. Obviously, you're not going to want to use these pictures, so we can manage the pictures. And when we do that, we can't really change this particular picture. So the best way to add pictures to our gallery would be to add the picture, choose a picture from your computer, and add it to this list here, and then delete these pictures that IM Creator gives you when you insert this element. But let me just take one of these and set the info, which is lots of information here that we need to look at. The title will be the title of the picture itself. You can add a description. Okay. The anchor point, placeholder, you don't need to really worry about these too much. The link type, however, is one I want to concentrate on. Do you want to open up if you click on it, if you click on the image, will it open up into an external website, an internal page on your website? It goes down to a certain another element in your page. Is it an email link? Okay, which it could be a photo of contact us, for example, and you click on that, and it sends an email to the users. Okay, phone and file download. So lots of information they can enter there for each picture, and that would be kind of like a photo gallery. Okay, let me eliminate this. Okay, slideshow is similar to a photo gallery. Contact information. Don't worry about HTML.